problem is lead code number 451, sort on the basis of frequency. So what is this problem is asking us is that it will give us a string. Suppose the string is apple pie. We need to sort the string based on the frequency of the characters. For example, in this string apple pie, p appears three times, which has the highest frequency. Therefore, p will appear at first. E appears two times, which is the next highest frequency. Therefore, E will appear. And after that, I, L, and A, the remaining characters, appear one time each. So we can arrange these letters in any order. So this is the valid answer. The answer can also be L, I, A. So order of those characters which matches frequency doesn't matter. So how do we solve this problem? I came up with an approach which is a map based approach, hash map. We need to maintain a hash map of character and pair. So the key will be character and the value will be pair. And what is this pair? Pair will be a pair of frequency and str, a string. So I'll explain this in few moments. What will this pair will be helping us? So let's first go with the dry run. At the first, we get A. So does our map contains A? No. Therefore, we need to enter A here. And what is the value? At frequency, we have to enter 1 since it is the first occurrence of A. And at str, we need to enter the string version of character A. Alright. Now let's move on to the next part, which is P. Does P is contained in the map? No. So P will enter here in the map. And what is frequency? P's frequency is 1, and we also need to enter the string version of P. After that, let's move on to the next part, which is second P. Now is P is there in the map? Yes, P is there. If P is there, we need to update the value. So we need to update the value. At this time, the frequency of the P will change from 1 to 2, and the string of P will change to the previous string plus the new string concatenated. So we can see that the new value of this P will be nothing but 2 comma pp. Next time we go on to L. So does L is there in the map? No. So enter L 1 and string version of L. Does E is there in the map? No. So enter E 1 and string version of E. Is P is there in the map? Yes, P is there in the map. So if P is there in the map, we need to update the value. So frequency will be changed to 3 from 2, and the string version will be changed to PPP, the previous string plus the concatenated character. So we can see that the value will be changed from 2 comma pp to 3 comma ppp. Next is I. Is I there in the map? No. So I 1 comma I. Is E is there in the map? Yes, E is there in the map. If E is there in the map, we need to update the frequency to previous frequency plus 1, and string will be changed to previous string plus the new string EE. So ultimately, this is our map at the end of the question. Now we need to do what? We need to use a max heap. We'll be using a max heap of pairs, and this max heap will be sorted in descending order based on decreasing frequency. So basically we'll be maintaining a max heap, a decreasing order heap. I'll show in the code how to build this max heap of pairs. So for the time being, let's understand the dry run. Once we get the map, we need to traverse over the map, and we will pop out the value and enter in the max heap. So let's do that. At first we get a. So a's value is 1 comma a. It will be popped out, and we'll enter this in the map. Next time we get the letter p. P's value is 3 comma ppp. So therefore we need to enter this at the top of the map because it has the highest frequency. So 3 comma ppp and 1 comma a will be moved below. Then we get the letter L, so its frequency is same, so this will be it. Next time we get E. Now E has uh, two frequency which is greater than 1 comma a, therefore we need to move this below. So 1 comma a will be moved below, and 2 sorry 1 comma L will be moved below that, and here comes 2 comma ee. Then we get I, and this will be 1 comma I. So ultimately this is our maxip. Now how will this maxip help us? As you can see, the maxip maintains a decreasing order as asked in the question, decreasing order based on frequency. So we can now pop out this and form our answer. So let's see that. At first the top element will be popped out and ppp will be concatenated here. Next time this will be popped out and its value will be concatenated here. Next time 1 comma a will be popped out and its value will be concatenated here. Next time L will be popped out and concatenated. Next time I will be popped out and I will be concatenated. At the last you can see that we get our answer, which is PVP EEALI. This is our answer. So what I did, we need to maintain a map of character comma pair, and in this pair it will be a pair of frequency comma string. We need to maintain a maxim of pair, and after that the maxim of pair will be based on descending order based upon the frequency. After that we need to pop out the elements from the maxim and we need to form the string. This is the code of the problem. As mentioned, I have taken a pair class, and this pair class contains a frequency and string str. So I'll show in the later part how this pair class will be implemented in the map and maxip. So let's see the code here, the main code. I have taken a priority queue of pair, and this priority queue will be a maxip which is based on the decreasing order of frequency. So as you can see here, I have maintained decreasing order of frequency by taking p2 dot freq minus p1 dot freq. So this will maintain a decreasing order of frequency. And then I have taken a map of character and its value will be pair, as I have mentioned in the dry run. So what I'm doing is that at first I am entering the values inside the map. So if the map doesn't contains the character, let's suppose it sees the character a for the first time, very first time. So this part will be generated. What this part do? It will enter in the map its value as 1 comma the string version of the letter. So 1 comma a, as I have shown in the map, as I have shown in the dry run previously. But if it is already in the map, then we need to do something. What? In this st, I am taking out the previous character in the map, as you can see here, and I am concatenating the new character. So if suppose another a comes up, then we will take out this string and we will make a, and this will be assigned to the st variable. If the previous frequency is f, I will add 1 to the previous frequency. So in this f, the previous frequency 1 plus the new frequency, which is 1. So the new frequency will be 2. And then I will remove the original value. So I'll remove this a entirely, and then I will attach the new value, which will be f. F is 2 comma the new st, which is a, to this value. This part I have already shown in the dry run. So how this is implemented, I am showing here. So this is how it is implemented if the value already exists in the map. After building the map, we need to build the maxip. So here is the maxip part. I am iterating over the key set of the map, and then I am taking out 101 value and I am adding it to my priority queue, the maxip priority queue. Okay. After that, at the end, we need to pop out the elements. We need to pop out the elements from the maxip, and then we need to form our answer. So this is very simple, this part, and then we need to return our answer. So this was the code. I'll attach the code in the description section. You can have a look from it also.